Kia ora ana, greetings and welcome back to my channel with this Cook Island based guitar tutorial 2. In the first tutorial I showed you and explained how to use this hand to coordinate with the fingers. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use this hand to do the picking. Then I'll put them together to coordinate, to create and play a single pick. Before we kick off, I'll be back to start this tutorial straight after this intro. Thanks for staying tuned, and now let's get into it. For this hand to do the picking, you need to use your thumb, your index finger and your middle finger. In this tutorial we're only going to use the thumb and the middle finger. With the index finger I will show you and explain how to use in tutorial 3. Now your thumb plays the second to last string, and then your middle finger plays the very last string, and then your thumb plays the second string from the top, then your middle finger plays again the very last string. And just use this hand just to go on off the strings, just to stop for now. And this is how the rhythm goes. Okay. Now we're going to put them together, coordinate this hand and this hand together. Now just to explain for you to understand, the index finger and the thumb actually play together. They work together, and also the little finger and the middle finger work together. So we'll get the hand coordination for this ready, which is again, as I explained in tutorial 1, the little finger on the last string, then these two fingers, the middle finger and the ring finger, cover the strings to come on and off, and the index finger starts at the second to last string and the second string from the top. Okay, and this is how it sounds. We're going to just play it slowly. Okay, now we're just going to pick up the pace a little bit. Now practice and take your time. You have the basics with the two-hand coordination to put them together to play the single pick, also to advance to the next stage. That concludes the tutorial. In this next tutorial I'll be showing you how to double pick, single and double pick, and also how to use your index finger. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and click that notification button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Cook Island bass guitar tutorial 3.